Have you ever wondered how your body communicates with itself? Your nervous system plays a vital role in transmitting signals between your brain and the rest of your body. But when a nerve gets damaged, this communication can break down, leading to symptoms like pain, tingling, muscle weakness, or numbness. These symptoms, often associated with neuropathy, are more than just uncomfortable. They can significantly affect your quality of life. In this guide, we'll dive into the best natural ways to repair nerve damage by addressing its root causes. Using the right supplements, exercises, and lifestyle changes can give your body the tools it needs to regenerate and repair itself. Always consult with a healthcare provider before starting new remedies, but these tips can provide a foundation for your journey to better nerve health. Magnesium, a calming solution for overactive nerves. If you've ever experienced nerve pain or tingling sensations, magnesium might be the relief you're looking for. When nerves are damaged, they often become overstimulated, with excess calcium flooding into the cells. This overexcitement can cause unusual sensations such as pain or burning. Magnesium helps regulate calcium flow, calming overactive nerves and reducing discomfort. Why magnesium glycinate or L-threonate? These forms of magnesium are easily absorbed by the body and target the nervous system specifically. Beyond nerve health, magnesium can also ease anxiety, reduce muscle cramps, and improve sleep quality. Start with a daily dose and monitor how your body responds. Repair the myelin sheath with vitamin B12. The myelin sheath is like insulation for your nerves, protecting them and allowing signals to travel smoothly. Damage to this coating, common in conditions like diabetes or high blood sugar, can lead to short-circuiting, particularly in extremities like fingers and toes. Solution: take 2,000 micrograms of methylcobalamin, a bioavailable form of vitamin B12, daily. Focus on foods rich in B12 like eggs, dairy, fish, and fortified cereals. Vitamin B12 supports the regeneration of the myelin sheath, giving your body the ability to heal from the inside out. Stay hydrated with electrolytes. Hydration is often overlooked in nerve health, but it's critical. Water carries oxygen and nutrients throughout your body, including your nervous system. Dehydration can slow down these processes, leaving your nerves starved for what they need to repair themselves. How to hydrate effectively. Fill a half-gallon, 2 liters bottle with water and add 1/4 teaspoon of Celtic sea salt. Avoid diuretics like caffeine or alcohol that dehydrate your body. The added sea salt helps your cells absorb water more effectively, ensuring that hydration reaches every corner of your nervous system. Harness the power of rosemary tea. Nature offers some incredible remedies, and rosemary is one of them. Drinking rosemary tea can boost a protein called nerve growth factor, which is essential for regenerating damaged nerve fibers. How to prepare. Steep fresh rosemary in boiling water for 8 to 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy 2 cups daily. Rosemary also contains compounds like rosmarinic acid, which can reduce inflammation, improve focus, and even calm overactive muscles. Decompress your spine for relief. Pinched nerves from poor posture or spinal issues like slipped discs are a common cause of nerve pain. By decompressing your spine, you can relieve pressure on nerve roots and reduce pain. Effective techniques. Use a pull-up bar to gently hang for 1 to 2 minutes daily. Perform YTW stretches to open up the shoulders and neck. Try chairlifts. Sit on a sturdy chair and use your arms to lift your body slightly, stretching your spine. These exercises help with sciatica, radiculopathy, and other nerve-related conditions, restoring proper alignment and reducing inflammation. Benfotiamine, the unsung hero of nerve health. Vitamin B1, specifically in the form of benfotiamine, is a game-changer for repairing nerves. High blood sugar from refined foods or stress depletes your B1 reserves, leaving your nerves unable to process energy efficiently. What to do? Supplement with 300 milligrams of benfotiamine twice daily. Reduce sugar and processed foods in your diet. Benfotiamine is fat-soluble, allowing it to penetrate the nerve's fatty layer and address damage at the core. Fuel your nerves with protein and omega-3s. Your nerves need raw materials to heal, including amino acids and healthy fats. These nutrients are found in high-quality protein sources and fatty fish. Dietary recommendations. Eat red meat like ribeye steak 4 to 5 times per week for protein and zinc. Include oily fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines twice weekly for omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3s reduce inflammation, while proteins provide the building blocks for nerve repair, ensuring a stronger nervous system. Enhance nerve growth with lion's mane mushroom. Lion's mane mushroom is a natural nootropic that supports nerve regeneration. It contains compounds that boost nerve growth factor, aiding in both brain and peripheral nerve repair. Recommended supplements. Look for products like MindLab Pro or other nootropic blends that include phosphatidylserine, omega-3s, and lion's mane extract. Improve circulation for faster healing. Proper blood flow is essential for nerve repair. Improved circulation ensures that oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the nerves while toxins are flushed out. Tips for better circulation. Soak in a warm bath with 2 cups of Epsom salts for 20 minutes. Use essential oils like peppermint or frankincense mixed with coconut oil for massages. Stay active with daily walks and consider compression socks if you have varicose veins. Improving circulation allows your body to better utilize the nutrients and hydration you've been working to optimize. Detoxify for long-term nerve health. Lastly, removing toxins from your lifestyle can speed up nerve regeneration. Alcohol, seed oils, and high-sugar foods are inflammatory and interfere with healing. Steps to detoxify. Switch to extra virgin olive oil instead of seed oils. Minimize alcohol and save it for special occasions. Address digestive issues with digestive enzymes, especially if you struggle with absorption. By cutting out harmful substances, you create an environment where your nerves can heal and thrive. Embrace consistency. Small changes, big results. Nerve damage repair isn't an overnight process. It requires consistency. The habits and remedies you adopt daily will compound over time, leading to significant improvements. What you can do? Stick to a regular schedule for supplements like magnesium, B12, and benfotiamine. Incorporate exercises like spinal decompression and stretching into your routine. Keep a hydration tracker to ensure you're consuming enough water with electrolytes. The key is persistence. Even minor improvements in nerve function can make a big difference in your quality of life. Practice stress management. Stress can exacerbate nerve problems by increasing inflammation and draining essential nutrients like magnesium and B vitamins. Finding ways to manage stress is critical for nerve health. Effective stress relief techniques, meditation and mindfulness. Spend 10 minutes daily focusing on your breathing or practicing gratitude. Yoga and Tai Chi gentle movements and stretches can reduce tension and improve circulation. Journaling. Write down your worries or focus on positive affirmations to shift your mindset. Reducing stress helps your nervous system stay balanced, creating an optimal environment for healing. Rebuild your gut for better nutrient absorption. Your gut health plays a major role in nerve repair. If your digestive system isn't absorbing nutrients properly, your nerves won't get the fuel they need to heal. How to support your gut. Take probiotics or eat fermented foods like sauerkraut, kimchi, and yogurt to improve gut bacteria. Avoid processed foods and focus on whole natural ingredients. Supplement with digestive enzymes if you experience bloating, acid reflux, or constipation. A healthy gut ensures that essential nutrients like B12, magnesium, and zinc are absorbed efficiently, giving your body the tools it needs for nerve regeneration. Sleep your body's repair mode. Sleep is when your body repairs itself, including your nerves. If you're not getting enough quality sleep, it can slow the healing process significantly. Tips for better sleep. Stick to a consistent bedtime routine, going to bed and waking up at the same time daily. Avoid screens and blue light at least an hour before sleep. Use magnesium glycinate or chamomile tea to relax your nervous system before bed. Deep restorative sleep allows your body to repair damaged tissues, including nerve cells, and boosts your overall energy levels. The role of antioxidants in nerve repair. Oxidative stress damages cells, including nerves, and slows down the healing process. Incorporating antioxidants into your diet can help combat free radicals and promote nerve repair. Top antioxidant-rich foods: blueberries, dark chocolate, spinach, and kale. Green tea, rich in catechins that support nerve health. Turmeric and ginger both have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. These foods not only reduce inflammation but also provide the nutrients needed for nerve cell regeneration. Exercise for nerve health. Physical activity is a cornerstone of nerve repair. Exercise improves circulation, strengthens muscles, and stimulates nerve growth. Beginner-friendly exercises for nerve health include walking, swimming, and stretching. Walking. A simple 20-minute walk can improve circulation and oxygen flow to your nerves. Swimming, low impact yet highly effective for building strength and reducing inflammation. Stretching. Focus on areas where nerve pain is most prominent, such as the neck, back, or legs. Consistency is key. Regular movement helps keep your body flexible and improves blood flow to damaged nerves. Use essential oils for nerve pain relief. Certain essential oils have natural anti-inflammatory and soothing properties that can help reduce nerve pain. The best essential oils for nerves include peppermint oil, which provides a cooling sensation and helps reduce pain. Frankincense oil supports cellular repair and reduces inflammation. Lavender oil calms the nervous system and promotes relaxation. Mix these oils with a carrier oil like coconut oil and massage them into areas of discomfort. This can provide temporary relief and support nerve healing. Reduce chronic inflammation. Chronic inflammation is one of the main barriers to nerve repair. By adopting an anti-inflammatory lifestyle, you can give your body the support it needs to heal. Steps to reduce inflammation include avoiding foods high in processed sugars, seed oils, and trans fats. Incorporate anti-inflammatory foods like olive oil, nuts, fatty fish, and leafy greens. Stay active and practice relaxation techniques to keep stress-induced inflammation at bay. Reducing inflammation allows your body to focus its resources on repairing damaged tissues, including nerves. Mind-body connection. Visualize healing. The mind is a powerful tool for healing. Visualization techniques can help you focus on the areas of your body that need repair, reinforcing the connection between your mind and nervous system. How to practice healing visualization. Sit in a quiet space and close your eyes. Imagine a warm, healing light flowing through your body, targeting areas of nerve damage. Repeat positive affirmations like, "My body is healing and my nerves are regenerating." This practice can boost your mental well-being and encourage your body to heal more effectively. Build a comprehensive plan. Healing nerve damage requires a multifaceted approach. Combine supplements, diet, exercise, and stress management for the best results. Weekly checklist for nerve repair, daily supplements like magnesium, B12, and benfotiamine. Hydration. Drink at least 2 liters of water with a pinch of sea salt. Exercise. Incorporate stretching, walking, and decompression exercises. Diet. Focus on protein-rich foods, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. Relaxation. Dedicate time to meditation, journaling, or essential oil massages. Tracking your progress can help you identify what's working and where you may need to adjust your efforts. Repairing nerve damage is a journey that requires patience, persistence, and a proactive approach. By addressing the root causes and incorporating these natural remedies into your routine, you can restore nerve function, reduce pain, and regain your quality of life. If you found this guide helpful, share it with others who may benefit from this information. And as always, stay consistent and listen to your body. It knows best what it needs to heal. Thank you for reading, and here's to your health and well-being.